Okay, this is as far as I've gotten with my conversion of my third rail Hudson 5200 to Cruise Commander with their new Rail Sounds 5 board. So far, I'm doing just a quick test to make sure nothing blows up, shorts out. Everything seems to be working. Let's run up the engine. I've got it reverse the motor leads because it's running backwards, but other than that, it seems to be working. Smooth, totally smooth. See if she reverses. Yep. Very good. Alright, let's see if TowerCom works.
Dispatcher here. Please hold for track orders. Over. Copy that. Out. How's that track look? Are we clear? Over. Affirmative. The track is yours. Over. Roger that. All clear. Out.
Okay, the only thing I got to do now is hook up the rear light for the tender. The good thing about third rail engines is they come with these quick disconnects. This is smoke unit, fan unit, and the front headlight. I've got the Super Chuffer board right here, Rail Sounds 5, the driver board, the Rail Sounds 4.0. Sorry to say, this engine did not come with a rear cab light. I am not going to dare drill a hole and install one, so that's one feature of the Super Chuffer board I won't use. I have installed an LED light in there. Here are the wires. I just gotta hook those up, and hopefully this weekend I'll have her back together. Thanks for watching.